Hi, I'm Blair Gilbert here from MrHardware.com and Gilbert's Pro Hardware in St. Clair Shores. Just to talk real quick about a common problem, the different angles of American Standard flush handles. I've taken the three common American Standard flush handles, a 45-degreer, common in a American Standard Cadet, a 28-degreer, a short, it's only about a 5-degreer, and a standard square, 0-degree, all-purpose flush handle. These three American Standard flush handles are pretty common for us. These are going to be hard to find out on the street. When you're working on a flush handle for your American Standard toilet, until you bought the wrong one, you don't know what the right one is. So you see these two different angles. These are the two more common in a more modern American Standard toilet. So one is at a 45-degree angle. The other one is at a 28-degree angle. You get the one with the shorter angle, it might hit on the china of the toilet tank when it's operating. So now you know if you get one that's hitting the china, you have to get one, a 45-degree that's going to be away from the tank more, or if your handle is way in the middle of the tank and you need to get it more over the flush valve, you get the shorter angle. So it's as simple as that. Knowing that the white 45 is common in the Cadet, not the only way it comes. So here are the three angles along with the straight. Whole purpose of this is to show you there isn't one handle that fits all the American Standard toilets. You may have to take a piece of paper, set it inside the front of the tank, draw the magic marker about what the angle is, take that with you to the store. So at least now you know that they come in different angles and you can go find them. And if you can't, you can find them at our website and get them here at MrHardware.com.